Hello everyone, today I will show you our desiccant wheel dehumidifier. It is model X3. You can see this is the water tank is here. And here you can see the water from this window. When the water is full, it will auto off. And here, this is the water input. You can find there's a filter. Pre-filter to prevent dust here and all the pollutant things from here. Now let's see the touch panel. Control panel. This is the power button. When we plug in power, we'll find the power LED indicator will be light off. The red light. Now you can see it's running. It's working. So here you can see the lights off. This full water. When the water tank is full of water, the lights will light off and the machine will auto power off. This power button. And this for working model. There are 3 working models: low model, middle model, and the high model for the fans. I'll show you. And this timer, you can see 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. I'll show you. This one is for relative humidity choice. 50%, 60% water. This for close dry function. And here you can see this key. This key is swing to control the air outlet. The angle of air outlet. I show you. You can see. And if you non-press this key for about 7 seconds, you will activate the Wi-Fi function. For this machine, for our standard version, we don't add the Wi-Fi function. If you want Wi-Fi function with Smart Knife app, then you should customize to us. Now, thank you.